Moprints Sanmonani. Hello everyone, Mulimche yo habari. Today we are fixing one of my greatest clients' phones. Yes, she came to me with 3 phones, one with a charging issue, 2 with a screen problem. As you can see, the one with charging issue is picking enough current, and it shows some sign of life. I will begin the procedures of troubleshooting what could be the cause. As you can see, you had to open the phone, but please keep in mind, I do fix phones for fun. I do fix phones from my house. So when you come at my internet cafe, you can ask me to help you fix your phone. I'll do that, but at my own pace. I promise I'll fix your phone within a day. So a round of applause to Miss Noctula for having been supporting me for this long, and I've really given her a good price, a good service. Back to the video, we managed to remove the battery. After removing the battery, we have to check further. Is the battery picking enough voltage? And yes, as you can see, the phone is picking 4 volts, which is enough to push the battery to the next percentage. We'll use this device, it's called an activator, to activate to see if really the battery can come back to life and charge again. And yes, we had to put it on an activator, give it some few minutes so the battery can activate. After activating, we had to connect back the battery, put the phone on charge, and then see if really the phone is gonna push to the next percentage. And yes, the phone managed to charge. As you can see, the phone is picking up 0.39 amps, which is a good sign of life, which shows that the phone is really gonna charge. And this has saved us. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.